Good morning, children. We are going to continue with our exercise in our grammar textbook. Nouns, chapter 1, Nouns. So, dear children, please open page number 16. Open page number 16. Let's practice what it is said. Let's practice. Put these expressions in the correct column. What we have to do, these expressions are given and we can see there are two columns: countable noun, uncountable noun. Countable noun means what, which things which we can count, and uncountable noun means what, the things which we cannot count. So we'll put these expressions in the two columns which are given below. First we will read what the expressions are. Some bread, bananas, a few eggs, a little time, a bowl of soup, don't have any money, 10 trees, a lot of sugar, many bicycles, a few moments, enough water, some chairs, how much sand, a little milk, a lot of birds, an hour of work. So now we will start with the exercise. We have read the expressions. Now let's see in these expressions in which column they are suited and in which column we have to write. Shall we start? Okay, children. Some bread. Some bread means what? It is not asked how much bread or how many. It is said some bread. So we cannot count some bread. So it is uncountable noun. So we'll write some bread in uncountable noun. Bananas. Bananas we can count individually. So we'll keep it in countable noun. A few eggs. A few eggs are coming in countable noun. We can count the eggs. So it is countable noun. A little time. A little time we cannot count how much time it will take. So it is uncountable. A bowl of soup. A bowl of soup is what? Uncountable. A bowl of soup. So a soup is kept in a bowl, but a soup is there in a bowl. A bowl of soup. So it is uncountable. Don't have any money. That is also a uncountable. 10 trees. We can count the trees. 1, 2, 3 like that. So it is 10 trees. A lot of sugar. Can you count sugar, children? No. We cannot count sugar. So sugar is uncountable now. Many bicycles. Bicycles we can count. So it is what? Countable. A few moments. Few moments means what? Okay, few moments. So it is a countable noun. Enough water. Water we cannot count. So it is uncountable. Some chairs. Chairs we can count. So it is countable. How much sand? Sand can you count? Have you children seen sand? Yes. We go to beaches or we go near the river or near the seaside, we find sand. So sand is uncountable. We cannot count sand. A little milk. Milk also we cannot count because in liquid form. How will you count 1 milk, 2 milk? No, it is uncountable. A lot of birds. Birds can be counted. So it is countable. An hour of work. An hour of work means what? We can count an hour. Hour means what? 2 hours, 3 hours. If you're doing some work and time limit is given, so your madam asks you or tells you, now this much hour is left to finish your paper. So it is an hour of work is means countable nouns. So I hope children you have followed this countable and uncountable noun. Now we'll go to the next page. Page number 17. Write C for countable nouns and use C for uncountable nouns. And make plurals of the countable nouns. Now which things are countable, which we can count easily, we have to give them plural form. What we have to give them? Plural form. L-A-D-Y, lady. So lady we can count. So it will be countable. And what is the plural of lady? L-A-D-I-E-S. So it becomes ladies. What it becomes? It becomes ladies. Air. Air is uncountable. We cannot count air. So it is uncountable. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Light is uncountable. We cannot count. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Doll is countable. So we can count doll. So what is the plural of doll? D-O-L-L-S. Dolls. teacher. Teacher is also a countable noun. We can count a teacher, one teacher, two teacher, like that. You say in my school there are 25 teachers. So what are the plural of teacher? It is teachers. Teachers, teachers. Window. Window is also a plural form. So window is also a countable. So we will write plural of window, windows. windows, windows. Silver. Silver we cannot count, so it is uncountable. Fence. fence. Fence is countable, so we can count fence, so it is fences. fences, fences. Oxygen. Oxygen we cannot count, so it is uncountable. Music. Music can you count? You listen music with your ears. We cannot count music, so it is uncountable. Mud. Mud is also uncountable. We cannot count. Mountain. Mountains. We can count mountains, right? So what is the plural of mountain? It is mountains. 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 It is countable. News. News is uncountable. How will you count news? It is uncountable. Love. Love is also uncountable. So dear children, I hope you have followed this exercise. Now we'll go to the next page. Next exercise. Let's practice. Page 17 only. Use of to change the following has shown. What you have to do? You have to use of. What you have to do? You have to use of to change the following has shown. Now an example is given. The sun rays. So what is the answer? The rays of the sun. Here what we have to do? हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? ऑफ जो है हमें सेंटेंस को चेंज करना है ऑफ रख के. ऑफ टू चेंज द फॉलोइंग हैज शोन. तो द सन्स रेज जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा? द रेज ऑफ द सन. हमें जो एपोस्ट्रोफी एस है ऊपर जो लगाया हुआ है वो हमें चेंज करना है. क्या करना है? वो चेंज करना है. तो हमें क्या करना है? हम क्या लिखेंगे? द रेज ऑफ द सन. द फ्लावर्स पेटल. तो उसका हम क्या करेंगे? द पेटल्स ऑफ द फ्लावर. हम क्या करेंगे? द पेटल्स ऑफ द फ्लावर लेंगे, राइट. द बॉयज सरप्राइज. द सरप्राइज ऑफ द बॉय. द बॉयज सरप्राइज. तो हम इसका क्या चेंज करेंगे? द सरप्राइज ऑफ द बॉय. द चिल्ड्रंस टॉय. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? द टॉयज ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. द ओशंस डेप्थ. द डेप्थ ऑफ द ओशन. द रिवर्स बेड. द बेड ऑफ द river. So children, again we'll do this exercise. What we have to do? Use of to change the following. Means what? Some nouns tells us who owns what. यहाँ पे जो थोड़े नाउन है वो हमें बताते हैं कि कौन वो चीज़ किसकी है, किसकी चीज़ है. जिसको हम कहते हैं पॉजेसिव नाउन. जैसे एग्जाम्पल, मीनूज पेट. मीनू एक लड़की का नाम है और उसका पेट है. तो हम उसका पॉजेसिव किस हिसाब से लिखेंगे? द पेट बिलोंगिंग टू मीनू. वो शॉर्टकट था, मीनूज पेट. लेकिन हम क्या करेंगे? हम उसका करेक्ट सेंटेंस में किस हिसाब से लिखेंगे? द पेट बिलोंगिंग टू मीनू. द पेट बिलोंगिंग टू मीनू. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज that we are going to do. So we'll revise it once again. The sun rays. सन के जो रेज है वो है. तो हम उसका सेंटेंस क्या लिखेंगे? द रेज ऑफ द सन. द सन्स रेज मतलब सन इज थ्रोइंग द रेज. लेकिन हम उसका पॉजेसिव क्या हिसाब से बनाएंगे? द रेज ऑफ द सन. द फ्लावर्स पेटल. द पेटल्स ऑफ द फ्लावर. द बॉयज सरप्राइज. तो द सरप्राइज ऑफ द बॉय हम लेंगे. द चिल्ड्रंस टॉय. द टॉयज ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. द चिल्ड्रंस टॉय. द टॉयज ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. द ओशंस डेप्थ. द डेप्थ ऑफ द ओशन. द रिवर्स बेड. द बेड ऑफ द river. Now we'll go to the page number 18. Okay children, please open page number 18. Here is what use as to change the following. अभी हमें क्या करना है, as लगाना है. फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में हमने क्या की थी, देखो ये जो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है उसमें हमने क्या किया था, ये जो एस आप देख रहे हो, ये जो एस है वो हमें यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, ये एस को यहाँ पे हमने ओ एफ ऑफ किया है, राइट, ऐड किया है एस को. द सन्स रेज है तो यहाँ पे द रेज ऑफ द सन किया है, सन के बाजू में एस नहीं है, हमने क्या किया, द रेज ऑफ द सन यूज़ किया है. और ये जो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है उसमें हमें क्या करना है, यूज़ एस टू चेंज द फॉलोइंग हैज शोन. यूज़ एस टू चेंज द फॉलोइंग हैज शोन, मतलब एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है, द टेस्ट ऑफ द सूप, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, द सूप्स टेस्ट, द फिर एस ओ यू पी सूप है तो एस ओ यू पी सूपी लिखा है, लेकिन हमें एस अटैच करना है और फिर लिखना है लास्ट में टेस्ट. हमें ओ एफ ऑफ और टी एच ई ध जो है वो ऐड नहीं करना है, सिंपल वर्ड बनाना है हमें, जैसा हमें यहाँ पे दिखाए, जैसा हमने यहाँ पे देखा है. द सूप्स टेस्ट. अभी सेकेंड वन, द फेदर्स ऑफ द ईगल, तो हम क्या करेंगे, द ईगल लिखा और फिर एस ऐड किया तो ईगल्स, और हमने क्या किया, फेदर्स, ओ एफ ऑफ हमने ऐड नहीं किया है. द ड्रेस ऑफ द बेबी, तो द हमने लिखा, फिर हमने क्या किया, बेबी का बेबीज़ लिया, एस अटैच किया और ड्रेस किया है और ड्रेस ले लिया है, तो सेंटेंस क्या बन गया, द बेबीज़ ड्रेस. द कलर ऑफ द लीव्स, द लीव्स कलर. द फ्रेंड्स ऑफ द गर्ल, द गर्ल्स फ्रेंड्स. ओके. द स्टेम ऑफ द प्लांट, द plant's stem. Okay children, I hope you follow this also exercise. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Over here, fill in the blanks to get correct sentence. One has been done for you. हमें क्या करना है, ये सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं और ब्रैकेट में उसकी करेक्ट स्पेलिंग दी गई है, 3 जो दी है, 3 उसमें से करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ढूंढ के हमें ब्लैंक में लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट वन जो है वो किया गया है एक्सरसाइज, हम वो रीड करेंगे. दिस गार्बेज डंप attracts a lot of dash if you leave the lid off. अभी यहाँ पे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है, दिस गार्बेज डंप अट्रैक्ट्स ए लॉट ऑफ फ्लाइज, क्या दिया गया है, इसमें यहाँ पे फ्लाइज लिखा है और ये फ्लाइज के एग्जैक्ट स्पेलिंग ये है, FLYS भी है, FLIES भी है, FLYS भी है, तो हमें करेक्ट स्पेलिंग क्या लिखना है, फ्लाइज. सो FLIES फ्लाइज. इफ़ यू लीव द लीड ऑफ, अगर हम लीड नहीं ढाकेंगे तो फ्लाइज तो घूमेगी ही, राइट. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ओवर हियर, सो मेनी फ्लाइज आर देयर. ओके. द फ्लाइज कम फ्रॉम द नियर बाय डैश bushes, BUSHIES, BUSHES, bushes or bush. So correct answer is what, bushes, BUSHES, bushes. The correct answer is bushes, BUSHES. Now third one, people mostly throw overripe tomatoes into the dump. Now over here, what tomatoes you have to write correct? Which is the correct spelling of tomatoes? It is TOMATOES, tomatoes, TOMATOS, tomatoes, or TOMATOS, tomatoes. So what is the correct spelling over here of tomato is tomatoes, TOMATOES. Next exercise, they also thrown the tea dash boxes and never put the lid back. So what is the correct answer over here? BOXES, boxes is the correct answer. The dash are angry of the garbage spread around. So what will come? Cleaners, cleaners or cleaner. Cleaners or Cleaners. So the correct answer is what over here? Cleaners. What is the correct answer? Cleaners. They are angrier at the neighborhood for dirty habits. Now they are angrier means they are very angry at the dirty habits. So whose dirty habits? What is the correct answer over here? Neighborhood. Neigbourhood. Hood. Neighborhood. They cannot get rid of the dash of flies. Next sentence. So what it says? They cannot get rid of the swarms or swarm of flies. So what is the correct answer? SWARM. Swarm of flies. Dash sprays will not help them. So what is the correct answer? Sprays. SPRAYS. Sprays will not help them. Dash knives will not kill the flies. So KNIVES. Knives will not kill the flowers. What would help in clean of the people of the neighborhood? So what is the correct answer? Habits or habits. So what you've written the correct answer? The correct answer is habits. What would help in clean habits of the people of the neighborhood? So answer is habit. HABITS. Habits. So dear children, I hope you follow this exercise. It is simple. Only from the bracket we have to choose which is the correct and suitable for the sentences. So you have to think and write. All the spellings are repeated 3 times. Sprays, knives, habits. Like this way it is said. Bushes. So you have to select the correct word with suitable in the blank. Now we'll go to the next page. Okay, what it says over here? Find a partner, make a table with 2 columns as shown, plural and possessive, in your notebooks. Then take turns to call out a word from the first column, that is singular, while your partner can fill in the blanks in the table. You may call out words of your own as well. Now what is this exercise about? This exercise is about 3 columns are given, singular, plural, possessive. क्या दिए गए हैं? 3 कॉलम्स है. अभी ये 3 कॉलम्स हमें अलग अलग जो सिंगुलर में दिए गए हैं वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में लिखना है और फिर उसको पॉजेसिव फॉर्म में लिखना है. तो हम देखेंगे किस तरह से की है ये एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट वन इज़ व्हाट? चाइल्ड. CHILD चाइल्ड. तो प्लूरल क्या होगा? चाइल्ड का चिल्ड्रन. CHILDREN चिल्ड्रन. और पॉजेसिव क्या हो जाएगा? चाइल्ड्स. CHILD child, and then we have to add s, right? So it becomes childs. What it becomes? What? Childs. WOMAN woman. So plural woman is what? Woman. WOMEN woman, and we will write women's for possessive. 3 number buffalo. So what is the plural of buffalo? BUFFALOES. Buffaloes, and the possessive is buffalo. See, you can see E is not there, only E. Instead of that, BUFFALO and then apostrophe S, that is buffaloes. Mouse, mice, mouse. House, houses, house. Wife, wives, wives. Bridge, bridges, bridges. Glass, glasses, glasses. Boy, boys, boys. Baby, so what will be the plural of baby? Babies and babies. Church, churches, churches. Scarf, scarves, scarves. Party, parties, parties. Fox, foxes, foxes. So I hope children you follow this exercise. This exercise is what, again I repeat, in left hand side singular column is there. So singular nouns are these. We have to make it into plural. What we have to do? We have to make it into plural and possessive noun. So I hope children you follow this exercise. Thank you. You have to write this exercise in your grammar textbook. Thank you children.